Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. I'm looking at a product from AprilAire. They did not send this to me. I purchased this myself. I buy these all the time and change them in my filter. And I want to show you how to change it in your filter and also what this is all about. So I buy the Merv 13. So what does CBN mean? It's like a Chaco activated filter. That's what that means. So basically what that's designed to do is remove a lot of the odors, pet odors, things like that. Really, really important. I buy the 2-pack. I always buy the 2-pack. With the activated carbon for the healthy home, allergies, odor reduction, all that kind of stuff. And it says right on the box for pollen, mold spores, bacteria, dander, dust, dust mites, and certain odors. And it does work well. I use this all the time. I change them every 6 months. That's why I always buy the 2-pack. I know a little bit more expensive, but I always buy the brand name AprilAire. Like I said, I do buy these myself. And we're going to actually go in and change it. So here's the box it comes in, okay? And here is the actual filter. Let me get this out of the way so I can show you. And a lot of times, you know, I do these unboxings and replacements, and I know I like to get more into the description and show you a little bit about the actual product itself. Like I said, it's not a sponsored video. I buy these myself, and I stick with the brand when it comes to things like this. So let's pull this out and save the bag, and we'll use the bag to put the old one in. So what do we have here? Let's take a look at it. Move this out of the way. So what we have here is an accordion style filter. So you receive it, it's like this in the bag, like you saw. Okay, here are the channels. Okay, these channels slide in and lock into the actual filter itself. Here's the airflow, tells you which way the air is flowing, so follow that arrow. That is extra charcoal. It's hard to see, it's all weaved inside. But you can see the little darkness of this, and that's where the charcoal is. Let's see if we can get a better angle in here. So hopefully you can see in here. You can see some of the darkness in here. Hopefully you can see that. And that is the charcoal that's weaved into the actual fabric itself. But the one side is a little bit darker. And you can see here the airflow is going this way. And this is where the mesh protection is right here. Everything is all here. So this is really a super high quality filter. You can see how it opens up like that. Easy to install, easy to clean. And you'll see the yellow. We'll take the yellow one out. We'll take a look at it in a minute and just see how it works. Again, here you go. Here is the filter side here where it captures all the debris, all the dust, everything goes into here, goes to the system, catches everything, and the charcoal goes to the charcoal, and then all that kind of stuff, and that's how it works. Okay guys, I'm in with the filter is right here. So this is where the filter is in the housing. Okay, make sure you shut your system off, okay? That's important, or shut it off upstairs, either way. So this comes off. This cover just comes right off, as you can see here. Really super easy, fantastic. Like I said, I have no problems with this whatsoever. So take this cover, let's put it to the side. Let's put it over here. And I want you to see here what I'm looking at here. You can see all the dirt and dust in there. It's absolutely filthy. It's got them particles in there. Again, every 6 months I change these. Let's take a look at the back of it real quick. You can see the back of it right here. You can see the dirt. Again, all high quality. I always replace them with the exact same one every 6 months. And you can see this thing is absolutely filthy. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to show you a little close-up here. So I have two of them right here side by side. I have the old one and I have the new one right here. You can see here, I want you to show a side-by-side comparison. You can see the difference. It's crystal clear. This is dirty. This one's clean. You can see how nice and white inside each one of these bellows are. Super clean. And how dusty and dirty and disgusting. You can see the dirt, right? Inside these bellows, they're just filthy, filthy, filthy. You don't think it's dirty, but believe me, it's dirty. I mean, look at this thing. Take it over a bird's eye view. You can really get a good look here at the difference between these two filters right here. New and used, just huge, huge difference between these two. I'm gonna show you how to install these. Really super easy and super simple. Now, they have these channels right here. You just basically slide them into the channel. Very easy to do. I'm just going to show you that and get it close up. But I just wanted you to see the comparison in this filter. Absolutely amazing. Day and night. Hopefully you can see that. Filthy and new. Absolutely amazing. And again, high quality. Definitely buy the brand. I don't buy the off brand. You can see the difference day and night. Every 6 months, change these. You won't have any problems with dander, dirt, dust mites, all that stuff is gone. You don't have to worry about it at all. Super easy to install. All right, let's get this installed. Okay, guys, so we're in the we took out the old one. and we're going to install the new one. We're going to see the arrow points downward. So we're going to install it this way, okay? Make sure these are all straight. And there's little channels on here. I want you to just to see, they're going to line up on these channels right here. So this goes right in and it slides right in like this here. So it just really mainly has to connect to the, once you get them into the channels, it slides right in super easy. So I'm just gonna get a quick close-up and show you those channels. Okay guys, so I got the best angles I can here. So these have little ridges on here, okay, little channels, and there's little grooves here that stick out. You wanna get these grooves in this little channel, okay? Just like that. You can see how it slides in. So you can see right here, these are the channels right here. I'm gonna hook them up to the other side, right? And same exact thing on the other side. Just get those channels lined up. And then once you get them installed, once you get them lined up, just like that, make sure they're lined up correctly. You gotta make sure it's square. But the idea is to get them kind of square. And once they're all square, you'll see, look at how they slide right in. Super easy. See that? See how it just slides right in? Got the arrow going down, right? Here's the clean filter on top, like I told you. Just push it in just like that. Now you take your cover. This is how easy it is, so you don't have to hire anybody. Do not hire anybody. Now the cover itself has a seal all around it. This is going to lock into the channel on one side and just basically push on, and you just snap it down, and that's all you have to do. Super easy, super simple. So I hope I taught you how to change it. Do it yourself. Don't hire anybody. Don't waste your money. If you got any questions or any concerns, let me know. Leave some questions down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Also, I'll leave some links down below. And those links are for this actual product. They'll be right here. There'll be links down below. They are affiliate links, like I told you before, and one right here for the product if you're interested.